let us see about the cross join. Okay, suppose you have two tables and you have to join that two tables using a cross join. The result will include all the rows from both the tables, so you get all the rows from the both the table, and each row is a combination of the rows in the first table with a row in the second table. So let us assume that you have two tables. First table, in that you have maybe three rows for example, and you have a second table. Here also you have 3 or 4 rows. So when you use a cross join, every row from the first table will join to the every row in the second table. So in return you get a Cartesian product. You get a Cartesian product of rows from these two tables, and in total you will be getting 12 rows. 12 rows. So in from the first table, first row is joined with 4 rows, second row is joined with 4 rows, third row is joined with again 4 rows. So you get 3 fours are 12 rows. So in short, when you are using a cross join, it will be a Cartesian product. So cross join is always a Cartesian product of the rows from the two tables. And let us imagine from the first table you have n rows, and from this n rows, and from the second table if you have m rows, from the second table you have m rows, you will get a output when you use a cross join, m into n rows. Let us do hands on the cross join. Okay, let us see the syntax first and then go to the example. The syntax is very simple. We use select star because all the columns from all the tables from your first table, table 1, and we use a cross join table 2. That's it. So this is the syntax for the cross join. Now let us do the hands on. So I'm creating two tables here. One is a product table, and I'm inserting 3 values inside that, and I'm creating a new table inside a company database with the name called stores and the products. So let me use select star from the product table and the store table, and you can see the output from the product table. We got 3 IDs with 3 names and 3 prices. And when you look at the stores here, we have only 2 stores, store ID 1 and 2, with the store name north and south. So if you see this as a first table, as a product table, so if you are using a cross join, first row will come in contact with the 2 rows in the store table. First ID will get 1 and 2 store IDs, second ID will get 1 and 2 store IDs, third ID will get again 1 and 2 store IDs. So let me show you how you can write select star from products table, cross join your store table, stores table. Let me execute this now. So you can see you got 6 records. First ID with store ID 1 2, second 1 2, and third 1 2, and so on. So this is how the cross join actually works. So you can see store ID 1 2 3 for IDs 1 1 1 and 1 2 3 for ID 2 2 2, and so on. So this is how the cross join works. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.